Sending a static 15-slide pitch deck PDF in a cold email to VCs usually ends in silence. But filming a video pitch yourself takes 50 takes, expensive studio gear, and hours of editing. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a simple PowerPoint or PDF pitch deck and turn it into a 90-second high-converting investor pitch video using AI in under 3 minutes. Step 1. Head over to ngram.com. When you sign up, you get 600 free starter credits, no credit card needed. Navigate to the Agentic chat and drag and drop your pitch deck, whether it's a .pptx file or a PDF one-pager. Ngram reads every slide, extracts your core problem solution framework, analyzes your traction metrics, and prepares a video narrative. Step 2. Review the generated script and storyboard. Notice how Ngram structures the pitch using the exact framework VCs look for: problem, solution, traction, market size, and the ask. You don't need to learn a timeline editor. You just tell the AI agent what to tweak in plain language, like zoom into our monthly active user chart on scene 3, or use an upbeat tech voice narrator. Step 3. Export your pitch. Ngram automatically adds kinetic motion graphics, applies your startup's brand colors, and burns in on-brand captions. Most investors watch pitch videos on their phones between meetings with the sound off, so burned-in captions are critical. And if your traction numbers update next week, you don't have to refame. Just edit the affected scene in Ngram and re-render in 60 seconds. Stop letting static PDF decks sit unread in investor inboxes. Head over to ngram.com, claim your 600 free starter credits, upload your deck, and build your AI investor pitch video today. Hit that subscribe button on @ngram_AI for weekly AI growth playbooks.